how do you use shortcuts on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. If it's your first time here on a Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So obviously we have the shortcuts app on the Apple Watch, but the way to use it is kind of unusual because on the watch we don't have the ability to like start a new shortcut. We don't have any ability to add anything new there. So it's heavily connected to your paired iPhone and the shortcut app right there. So the shortcuts created on iPhone get synced to the Apple Watch. But the point or interesting stuff is that not even every single one of them, not every shortcut will appear on the Apple Watch, but only if it sort of makes sense to have it on the watch, right? So if it's going to be functional, if it's going to work on the Apple Watch, then it will be synced over into your Apple Watch. So it's like when I check out the list of shortcuts available on the iPhone and those on the Apple Watch, there are plenty of them which are simply not functional on the watch. For example, I have the hotspot shortcut, which is going to turn on the hotspot and, get the password and so on. But that is simply not functional on the watch, and therefore it doesn't even appear there. Right, so it's kind of like, yeah, you can create shortcuts on the iPhone and hope that they will appear on the watch. But if they do, you can use them on the Apple Watch. So that's kind of how it works. Other than that, you can, of course, if you have like an Apple Watch Ultra, which has the action button, you can also customize the action button settings and choose one of those supported shortcuts to be triggered with the action button. But yeah, that's the whole point behind it. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more tutorials and explanations like this one, and I hope to see you later in the upcoming videos as well.